Hello moneymakers. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and evergreen niches on YouTube, the spiritual awakening and manifestation niche. You've probably seen channels like Solace Mind, which has been quietly growing by creating deeply calming, cinematic videos on topics like manifestation, mindfulness, and connecting with the universe. Look at some of their uploads. Videos like "Stop Doubting," "Everything You Desire is Already on Its Way," and "Trust the Process, the Universe is Always Working for You," are pulling hundreds of thousands of views with incredibly high audience engagement. Why are these videos performing so well? Because this niche is built on connection and trust. People who watch manifestation and spirituality content aren't just casual viewers. They're seeking peace, guidance, and inspiration. When they find a video that speaks to them, they don't just watch for a few seconds. They watch until the very end. And that's where the magic happens. The longer people watch, the higher your average view duration, which leads to better rankings in YouTube's algorithm, and ultimately, much higher RPMs. This means you're not just growing a channel, you're building a community that keeps coming back for more. And here's the best part. These channels are 100% faceless. No need to show your face or record your voice. With AI tools, you can do everything. Research trending topics, write human-sounding, emotionally powerful scripts, generate natural, soothing voiceovers, and even create beautiful cosmic visuals and animations that look like a professional studio made them. But here's an important truth. You can't just randomly upload videos and expect results. This is not how YouTube works. You need to give 100% effort in every single step, from choosing the right topic, to writing a script that connects, to editing in a way that holds attention. And trust me, when you do it right, the rewards are massive. Because manifestation and spirituality is an evergreen niche. It never goes out of trend. In fact, it's only getting more popular every single year as more people turn to these practices for clarity and guidance. So, if you've been waiting to start a channel in this space, this is the perfect time to jump in. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a channel like Solace Mind from scratch. We'll cover everything step by step, from finding viral video ideas to writing scripts that deeply resonate with your audience, generating stunning visuals, creating natural AI voiceovers, and finally editing it all together into a video people will actually watch till the end. Stick around, because by the time you finish this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start your own spiritual awakening and manifestation channel. Grow it fast, and turn it into a long-term, profitable YouTube business. But wait. Before we move ahead, I have created a full course on how to succeed on YouTube with AI, and this course have everything that you need to start your YouTube journey. In my 10 years of experience, I have built several channels for me and my clients, and everything that I learned in these 10 years is shared on this course. You will also get group coaching calls every week from me directly, and a community of like-minded people whom you can network and grow your business. I'm giving away this course and coaching for just $149 for lifetime. You don't need to pay any monthly fees like other YouTube gurus, and also I won't sell other teaching for higher price. You pay $149 and you get access to my course and coaching for lifetime. The link is in the description. Now gets back to the video. Alright, so first of all, after creating a channel, we need to find video topic ideas. For this, watch other videos and analyze what topics people like, what problems they face in life, and to give them a solution, you can create videos on those topics so they will connect more with your videos. However, you can also take help from ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and write, "Hi ChatGPT, I am going to start a channel on the spiritual awakening and manifestation niche, similar to this channel, and paste the reference channel link. I want you to help me in creating videos. Please analyze the channel and wait for the next command." And there we go. ChatGPT has analyzed the whole channel. It will observe everything and tell you how the titles are, what the content is like, and so on. Now to generate the titles, I have created a perfect ready-to-use prompt, which you can find in the link in the description. Just copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will give you exact video ideas, just like the reference channel. Not only video ideas, it will also give you title concepts, thumbnail text, and suggested videos. Beyond this, you need to keep watching YouTube, Notice other people's video topics and keep explaining to ChatGPT what you want. Like, I want topics like these because they are trending right now, so it can give you related video ideas. Just don't copy and paste what ChatGPT gives you. Always use your own creativity for that. So I will go with this one. Stop doubting. Everything you desire is already on its way. So, this is how you can choose the topic for the video. Alright, now let's move on to the next step, which is the heart of the video, meaning script writing. In this niche, you cannot just write random things. You need to build your audience's trust. So script writing is the main step to go viral and gain audience views and likes. If you are good in this niche, you can write by yourself. Otherwise, we can take help from ChatGPT. Alright, so again, you need to go back to my Google Doc and copy this master ChatGPT script prompt. This is not just a random prompt. I tried many prompts and gave many scripts of the reference channel to ChatGPT to help it understand the format. And then I created this perfect prompt, which works best. This is a detailed prompt in which I included every minor detail. So you just need to add your video idea in this prompt, then copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. And there we go. ChatGPT will generate a perfect, natural, human-sounding script of 12 to 14 minutes long. Look at the starting of the script. It perfectly starts with an amazing hook and intro. Analyze the complete script and modify it on your own. As I always say, just do not copy and paste the ChatGPT script as it is. Research more, add more things, add your own hook words, and make it completely unique. You can take help from AI, but just don't completely rely on it. And that's it. Our script writing step is also completed. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3, voiceover. Now the voiceover is the second most important process of the video, because a calming, relaxing, beautiful voice makes your video more engaging. Not extremely calming, but the type of voice people want to listen to. A voice that is not too loud, not too fast. Alright, so if you're comfortable recording your own voice, you can go for this. Otherwise, you can use AI tools as well. But remember, do not use any type of tool that gives you a robotic-sounding voice, because if you use that, people will immediately recognize it, and they won't like your video. So I will use DubDub AI, because the voices provided by DubDub sound natural, and it also offers many features to make the voice even more human-like. First, open DubDub and sign up for your account. It provides you with a 3-day free trial to use. Alright, now from the dashboard, choose AI voiceover. However, you can also clone your own voice, and this is the best choice because it makes your voice unique and human-like. As this is just for the demo, I will go with the AI voiceover option. Now click here, and we need to choose a perfect voice from the dashboard. First, choose the language and gender. Then you will find 3 types of voices: Ultra, Premium, and Quality. Try all 3 and choose which sounds the best. I suggest you spend more time choosing the voiceover, as it is very important in this niche. You can also choose multi-emotive voices. In the multi-emotive section, you will get options to choose specific emotions for the voice. Suppose if I select this one, here you will see an option to select an emotion, and it will sound different in every emotion. That's an amazing feature, right? But my favorite voice for this type of niche is from the motivational section, which is Jason Miller voice.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
And Tommy Murphy voice for this niche.
In the quiet shadows of Birmingham, we make our own rules. Cross this bridge, and it's the last mistake you'll ever make.
So, I will go with the Tommy Murphy voice. Now copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it here, then click on Generate and listen to the voice.
Doubt doesn't delay your desires. It disconnects you from receiving them. You've been asking. You've been visualizing. You've been waiting, checking, refreshing the page of your life.
And if needed, make some changes to make it more realistic. So here, I will add some pauses in certain places and then decrease the speed of the voice a little bit as well. You can do all these settings according to your chosen voice. Alright, now click on Export and save it to your computer. And our voiceover part is completed. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is creating videos. If we look at the style of the reference channel, the footage is very unique, and I really like that style. But I don't know what type of footage it's called. So, all I will do is take screenshots from this video, then go back to ChatGPT and upload all the screenshots. right, they were using these types of footages in the style I showed you in the image. What is this image or video style called? As a result, ChatGPT will break down all the styles of the images. It will also give us suggestions on what to search for on sites like Pexels, Storyblocks, Envato, or Canva. However, you can also generate these types of images and footage for free, which I will show you later. So let's go to Pexels and search for cosmic animation, and here you will find these types of footage which we can use. However, you will also find a variety of footage in Canva as well. So you can take from there too. You just need to dig properly and search with different keywords like lo-fi aesthetic, universe, meditation, spirituality, and so on. Now let me show you how you generate these types of videos with AI. All you need to do is copy the image generation prompt from my Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT. Use a different ChatGPT chat so it doesn't get messed up with everything else. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, then copy the first paragraph of your script. We will generate prompts for each paragraph separately, so ChatGPT understands everything in detail. Now, copy the prompt and paste it into this chat. And there we go. ChatGPT will generate 10 image prompts along with video prompts for one paragraph. Then, you give the second paragraph, and ChatGPT will generate prompts for that as well. In this way, you need to keep generating prompts step by step. Now I will show you a free image generator tool where you can generate unlimited free images. I'm talking about GenTube AI. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Then go to GenTube AI. From here, click on Create and paste the prompt. And here it is, our image is ready. If you don't like the style, you can go to the style option and choose Surrealistic Dreamscape or Vintage Oil Painting. You will get amazing results. Once you are satisfied, download it. Then copy another prompt and generate the next image. In this way, generate all the images for all paragraphs. The results, you can already see on my screen, are amazing. However, if you have ChatGPT Plus, you can also generate images directly inside ChatGPT as well. So now we have the images, next we need to animate them. For that, I will show you 2 free tools you can use. The first tool is called veer.com. Here, select Image to Video. Upload your image. Then copy the video prompt given by ChatGPT. Hit Generate, and in just a few seconds your video will be created with subtle animations. The second tool is Grok AI, where you can create images and animate them for free. From the side menu, select the imaging option, upload your image, and Grok will start converting that image into a video. See? And our video is ready. The result is also amazing because we just want a little bit of animation, so it's perfect to use. If you want, you can even generate images directly in Grok and then convert them into videos. So keep generating videos like this and download them one by one. Apart from this, you can also find many videos on Pinterest. For example, search cosmic videos in 16:9, and you will find those lo-fi vibes animations there as well. Now this is how you collect your videos. Then at last you need to download background music from YouTube Audio Library. Always use copyright-free music, so that's why we are downloading it from YouTube's library. Here, search lo-fi and download the one that sounds best. And that's it. Now we have collected all the video material. Now let's move to the next and last step, which is editing. For editing, I will use the CapCut desktop app, but you can choose any editor you like. Now upload all the materials into CapCut. Then, first drag the voiceover into the timeline. Now, one by one, start adding the footage, and from here, select the 16:9 ratio and set the video into that frame. At the very beginning, I will add 2 text lines that ChatGPT suggested to me. For this, I will go to Text Templates, choose a nice template, and add my text to it. And this is how it will look. Then, one by one, I will keep adding the video footage to the timeline. Every 5 seconds, I will change to a new video. After generating the videos, we will add transitions between each clip. Then you can also try filters like 4K, clear, and many more. Just drag and drop them into the timeline. At last, I will add background music and lower its volume as much as possible, so that the voiceover can be heard clearly. Then if you want, you can also add subtitles, and from the templates you can choose amazing animated text styles. For example, I selected this one, and this is how it looks. Amazing, right? And that's it. Our video process is complete. So guys, this is the complete process of creating this type of channel. And I hope you liked this video and learned lots of things. If this video was helpful, comment below and tell me what more videos you want, and I will bring more amazing niches like this. Also, don't go without liking and subscribing to my channel. It motivates me to create even more content like this. Now let's check out the demo video.
Doubt doesn't delay your desires. It disconnects you from receiving them. You've been asking. You've been visualizing. You've been waiting, checking, refreshing the page of your life, wondering if the universe even heard you. But here's the paradox. The moment you stop doubting is the moment everything starts aligning. This isn't just about manifestation. It's about trusting the delivery before you see the package. Because everything you desire is already on its way. Let's be honest, doubt is seductive. It feels like safety. It gives your mind something to do while your soul waits. You say you believe, but every time the money doesn't come, the call doesn't arrive, the sign doesn't appear, your faith fractures a little. You replay affirmations in the morning, but spiral by evening. You keep asking, is it working? Did I do it right? Why isn't it here yet? And without realizing it, you've put yourself on pause. You're not manifesting anymore. You're managing your fear. Here's the truth that no one tells you. The universe does not operate on evidence. It moves with energy. Your belief isn't just a mindset, it's a signal, a frequency, a message that echoes through space-time and returns to you in form. Your expectation collapses probability into reality. In Jungian terms, what you hold in your unconscious is mirrored back through experience. So every time you doubt, you're not just thinking differently. You're tuning your frequency away from the very thing you asked for. Imagine planting a seed and digging it up every day to check if it's growing. That's what doubt does. It disrupts the process. It unsettles the roots. It slows the bloom.